What's stopping you from making money today with high-ticket affiliate marketing? The biggest roadblock isn't some secret formula. It's the common pitfalls that trip up almost everyone. The fear of failure and a lack of knowledge are huge obstacles. Overcoming these issues is critical to achieving success. It's easy to get caught up in thinking you're not good enough or smart enough, but that's total BS. Everyone starts somewhere. Don't let those thoughts hold you back from even trying. Understand that everyone experiences fear. So how do you bust through these barriers? First, ditch the idea that you need to know everything before you start. You learn by doing. Take action, even if it's messy. Second, reframe failure. It's not the end, it's feedback. Use it to get better. Accept that failure is normal. Another mistake people make is a lack of knowledge. You don't know what you don't know, right? The solution is simple. Commit to learning. There are plenty of videos to help you learn how to build a profitable business. Just keep feeding your brain. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. I'm also offering free bonuses that will help you avoid common mistakes. These pitfalls are easily avoidable if you take action and learn how to overcome them. Remember, the most successful people aren't necessarily the smartest. They're the ones who keep going despite the setbacks. The fear of failure and a lack of knowledge are huge obstacles. To learn more about the system that I use and my premium affiliate marketing bonuses that I'm offering, visit my link below.